PN Health MAPE 8 Term 1 Lesson 5 Week number 5 and 6 Subtopic number 2. Subtopic number 2 Scoring, Prevent Scoring, Restart, Play, and Transition. Explicitation. The scoring rules of softball. Scoring rules. Scoring runs. A run is scored when a player successfully advances around all four bases, first, second, third, and home plate, and touches home plate. Players can advance bases by hitting the ball, being walked, receiving four balls, or as a result of an error by the opposing team. Single, double, triple, then score. Home runs. If a batter hits the ball over the outfield fence in a fair territory, it is considered a home run. The batter and any runners on the base can around all the bases and score runs. Innings. A standard softball game consists of 7 innings. Each inning is divided into 2 halves. The top, where the visiting team bats, and the bottom, where the home team bats. The team with the most runs at the end of the 7 innings wins the game. If the game is tied after 7 innings, extra innings are played until a winner is determined. Outs. Each team gets 3 outs per half inning. An out can occur in several ways, such as a strikeout, a flyout, catching a hit ball before it touches the ground, or a tag out, tagging a runner with the ball while they are not on a base. Walks and hits. A batter can reach first base by being walked, receiving 4 balls, or by hitting the ball and safely reaching a base without being put out. Errors. Defensive errors can allow batters or runners to advance additional bases. Errors occur when a fielder misplays a ball, allowing a runner to reach a base they otherwise would not have. Activity number 4, Situational Scrimmage. Objective: to practice and apply scoring strategies in various game situations. Materials needed: softball equipment, bats, balls, gloves, bases. Cones or markers to set up bases. Scorecards or a whiteboard to keep track of runs and out. Set up. Number 1. Split the students into 2 teams. Assign positions to each player. Number 2. Briefly go over the rules of softball, focusing on scoring and base running. Number 3. Prepare a list of different game scenarios. For example, A. Bases loaded with 2 outs. B. Runner on a second base with 1 out. C. No runners on base with no outs. Procedure. Number 1. Present a scenario to the teams. For example, there are runners on first and third with 1 out. Number 2. Have the teams play out the scenario. The defensive team tries to prevent scoring while the offensive team tries to score runs. Number 3. After each scenario, rotate the teams so that everyone gets a chance to play both offense and defense. Number 4. After each scenario, Discuss the strategies work and what would be improved. Encourage students to share their thoughts and ask questions. Discussion points. Number 1. Emphasize the importance of smart base running and knowing when to take risks. Number 2. Discuss different hitting techniques and when to use them. Example, bunting to advanced runners. Number 3. Highlight the importance of positioning and communication in preventing runs. Activity 5. Player positions. Using Learning Activity Sheet 3, ask the students to draw themselves in a role they have chosen. Ensure that the drawing includes proper attire or pose. Activity 6. Journal writing. The teacher will ask the students to reflect on their learning using the following prompts. A. How did I learn the concepts that I now know? B. What should I do to learn the concepts I am having trouble learning? C. If I am going to be a professional player, what is the perfect role for me? And what should I do to be good at it? Formative assessment. Choose the letter of the correct answer.